Now, you know what? Welcome to one-on-one of the super horizontal calf raises. This is your ultimate guide for growing skinny as fuck calves. No, I'm just kidding. I'm trying my best as well, so have that in mind. Now, a lot of people, including myself, I'm not taking that a part of the equation. No, I'm not perfect and you aren't either. That's why you're watching this. So welcome to the non-perfect channel. Now, we are going to do some calf raises, and something that I realized just recently after a man who is a professional bodybuilder and now a professional coach who have reached the Olympia stage for his athletes has told me that if you need to grow your calves, you can't do a seated movement. Now, something that you want to do is actually focusing on getting your tippy toes on here and stretching your calves. So a lot of people think that this right here is the best opportunity to grow your calves in this position right here, all the way down. But it's not. It's actually stretching the muscle, putting some load on, and wait for a second. Yeah, so this right here is the perfect opportunity. So what you want to do is slowly get over here, get a stretch, and it hurts as fuck. All the way up, all the way down. Hold it for a second, all the way up, all the way down. What you're doing right here is you're actually stretching the calf in this position right here. And you're having some load on it, and that's why it's going to tear some muscle fibers. What happens over time is that it will actually grow stronger, because when you tear a muscle apart, you go home, you sleep, you eat your proteins, your carbs and your fats, and maybe some other things, I don't know, but you will recover. And your recovery is taking part in making your calves bigger, stronger, and prettier as well. Just like a Greek fucking god. Right here. Alright. So, I'm sorry. When I talk, I can't do that many reps because I'm focusing a lot on talking to you while doing this. So, give it a go and tell me how it is. Alright? I'll see you soon.